Hello and welcome to today's video. In this video, we're diving into the vibrant world of parsley, a herb you've probably seen garnishing plates or adding a burst of flavor to dishes. But did you know parsley is more than just a culinary herb? It's a nutritional powerhouse that offers a range of incredible health benefits. Stick around as we explore why parsley is so healthy, the science behind its benefits, and how you can easily include it in your diet. What makes parsley so nutritious? Parsley is rich in essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making it a key player in maintaining overall health. A single cup of chopped parsley contains 22 calories, 1.78 grams of protein, 0.47 grams of fat, 3.8 grams of carbohydrates, 2 grams of fiber, 0.51 grams of sugar. This same serving provides an astounding 1,230% of the recommended daily intake of vitamin K, along with high levels of vitamins A and C. These nutrients contribute to parsley's reputation as a superfood. The health benefits of parsley: 1. Preventing cancer. Parsley contains two powerful compounds, myricetin and apigenin. Myricetin. This flavonoid has been shown to help prevent skin cancer and is found in one of the highest concentrations in parsley compared to other plants. Apigenin, a natural chemical linked to reduced tumor size in aggressive breast cancer. Researchers believe it could be a promising non-toxic cancer treatment in the future. Another fascinating aspect is parsley's ability to block the effects of heterocyclic amines, which are cancer-causing compounds formed when meat is grilled at high temperatures. Pairing parsley with grilled meats can help neutralize these harmful effects. 2. Protecting against diabetes. Parsley's myricetin content isn't just good for cancer prevention, it's also beneficial for diabetes management. Studies show that myricetin can lower blood sugar levels, decrease insulin resistance, reduce inflammation, remove excess fat from the bloodstream. By incorporating parsley into your meals, you can support better blood sugar control and overall metabolic health. 3. Supporting bone health. Vitamin K is crucial for bone health, and parsley is one of the richest sources of this nutrient. Adequate vitamin K improves calcium absorption and reduces calcium loss through urine. A meta-analysis found that people with high vitamin K levels experience 22% fewer fractures. Just 10 sprigs of parsley are enough to meet your daily vitamin K needs, making it an easy addition to support strong and healthy bones. How to incorporate parsley into your diet. Parsley's peppery and slightly bitter flavor makes it a versatile ingredient. It pairs beautifully with potatoes, tomato-based sauces, poultry dishes, grain-based salads like tabbouleh, seafood, egg dishes like omelets and frittatas. Here are some quick tips to enjoy parsley. Add a handful of parsley to your green juice or smoothie. Sprinkle chopped parsley over salads, soups, or roasted vegetables. Mix parsley into homemade salad dressings for an extra boost of nutrients. Use it as a garnish on pasta or grilled proteins. Are there any risks? While parsley is safe for most people, those taking blood-thinning medications like warfarin should avoid sudden increases in vitamin K intake. Vitamin K plays a significant role in blood clotting, so consult a healthcare provider before making dietary changes. Key takeaways. Parsley is far more than a garnish. It's a nutrient-dense herb packed with health benefits. From preventing cancer and managing diabetes to strengthening bones, parsley proves that small dietary additions can make a big difference. By incorporating parsley into your meals, you're not only enhancing flavor, but also boosting your overall well-being. So next time you see parsley on your plate, don't push it aside. Embrace it for the nutritional powerhouse it truly is. Thanks you for watching. If you found this information helpful, please share this video with friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness insights. Until next time, stay healthy and keep exploring the wonders of nutrition.